Now guys, in the last video we have captured all the handshakes. So in this lecture I'm going to show you that how to just crack the password of WPA and WPA2. So for that you need to open your terminal window and let's zoom it first. Okay. Okay, after zooming it, what you need to do here is you need to open the folder, and inside folder you can see that this is the handshake file and this is the word list. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply type aircrack ng, okay, aircrack ng, and the file name wap, okay, aircrack ng and the file name wap handshake 01 handshake 01 dot cap, okay, and -w and the name of our word list, which is test.txt. and this is the command that you're gonna use when you're performing all these kinds of attacks. So when you click on this, it will give you the password, so it will take some time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply pause the video, and after the completion of all this process, so I will just repause the video. Okay.